Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are well in this pandemic and studying well. Okay, as you have seen my thumbnail, I am going to bring all the course of English grammar. As you can see that English grammar is very important. We have been learning English grammar since post-standard up to now, and till the graduation we will learn. Therefore, English grammar should be very. Therefore, we should know English grammar, and it is really very important. The students who are suffering from English grammar and feel that English grammar is a burden, then my channel will really help them to get burden off. Therefore, you have to share my channel to those students. I will bring all the sessions of English grammar in further days, but make sure that you have to support me. Otherwise, without any support, I can't do anything. Okay. Therefore, you have to share, subscribe, and like to my channel. Moving to the next. See, there is our my Twitter account Ocean Manjiwar and a Telegram group Study with Ocean. You have to join the Telegram group to get the updates and to get the PDF of the lecture. In introduction, you are going to learn here all the topics of English grammar, which helps in you, which whatever you grade are, in each grade you are. The topics we are going to learn or we will cover. First one is a part of speech. Part of speech it plays a very important role. It is the basic. See guys, I'm really very nervous. This is my first interactive video on YouTube. Therefore, I'm hesitating in speaking English. As I'm speaking in English, not very enough, but I'm trying to speak English and improve myself with you. Therefore, we come together to improve ourselves. Okay. So, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These all are the 8 parts of speech we will cover in this topic. Then next one is tenses. Then tense, present tense, past tense, and future tense. You might all have learned these tenses. We will learn this tense in detail. There are some types. Okay. So then third one is a voice. Voice plays a very important role. First one is active voice and second is passive voice. Many of students feel voice as a very complicated thing, but it's not. We will make it possible to learn easily and happily. Then fourth one is a direct indirect speech. There are also two types of speeches, which is also called as narration, direct speech and indirect speech. Then question tag. Question tag is most important here. Then articles. We know that articles a and the. Then type of sentences. Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory and interrogative. These are the four types of sentences, and these affirmative and negative are the assertive types of sentences. Assertive type of sentences, these are affirmative and negative are the type of assertive sentences. Okay. Then transformation of sentence. This is really very important part of the grammar, and many questions are asked from this, and we are all guys really feel very hard these topics, but it's not so complicated. We will make it learnable. Okay. Assertive sentences to negative sentence and negative sentence to assertive sentence. Then same procedure here, assertive to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive, then imperative to assertive and exclamatory, then exclamatory to imperative and assertive to imperative. Then fourth one is interrogative to assertive, then exclamatory to interrogative and assertive to interrogative, and so on. And this is the last topic, WH question framing. If I have left any topic, then please remind me on the comment section. WH framing question we also learn. It is also very important topic. We will start our next session whenever I get support of your. Therefore, please do like, share, and subscribe to get learning. And the remaining topics are modal auxiliary and their application. Application of conjunction and preposition. These are the part of speeches. Then then application of WH words to frame question, then subtypes and part of speech etc. These all are the topics we will cover in further sessions, but only thing you have to remember is to subscribe to my channel and get support. Please comment down to get you want to learn with me. Therefore, I will make next video on this and we will combine together. I am also a student, you also students. We all students come together to learn English grammar easily. Okay, then subscribe soon to my channel. I am really very nervous. If I make some mistakes, then please comment down. I will really want to improve myself. Okay, so guys, see you soon in next session. And if you want this PDF, then please join to Study with Ocean Telegram group and you will get the PDF of this lecture. Okay. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and happy.